how do I say in Shona that I'm drinking tea?
Ndiri Kunwa.
Ndiri
Kunwa. Not Kunma, it's Kunwa. Ndiri Kunwa tea. But tea is not a Shona word.
Okay.
It's actually an English word, but the actual word for tea in Shona, though we don't really use it, that's Svutugadzike.
Sorry? Jesus Christ, this big word.
Svutugadzike. So if you want to say it in a proper, in Shona in a proper way, you have to say Ndiri Kunwa Svutugadzike. So say Sutu.
Sutu.
Not Sutu, Su.
Shu.
Sutu.
Shutu.
Not Shutu. Say Swa, Swe, Swi, So, Su. Swa. Swa. Say Swa.
Shwa.
Not Shwa. Shwa.
That's what you're saying.
That is Su, Swa.
Shu, Sha.
Yes. Swa, Swe, Swi, So, Su.
Sha, She, She, Shu.
Not Sha, She, Si, Shu, Shu. Swa.
Sha.
That is Svutugadzike. Sutu.
Shutu. Shutu.
Not Shu. Su.
Shu.
Yes, something like that. Svutugadzike.
Shu.
Sutu.
Shutu.
Gadzike.
Gadzike.
Yes. Sutu.
Shutu. Gadzike.
Yes. So, Ndiri Kunwa. Ndiri
Kunwa.
Ndiri Kunwa Svutugadzike.
Ndiri Kunwa Svutugadzike.
Yes, it's okay, it's fine. But normally we don't really use this word Svutugadzike. People, they just say Ndiri Kunwa tea. But the proper word for tea.